Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add voice memo to your journal entry. So it's pretty simple. After you open the journal app, click on the plus button at the bottom. And for those people who do not have this app, I'll tell you how you guys can get it. But once you're inside here, click on new entry. And once you're inside your journal entry page, you can click on the voice icon, which is going to be right beside the camera icon at the bottom. Click on the lines over here and it is going to show you this. Now to start recording your voice, click on it. Once you tap on the red button, it'll turn into a rectangle. Once it's into a square or a rectangle, it'll start to record your voice at the top. Now if you click on the square at the bottom again, it'll stop to record and your voice memo is going to be saved at the top. Click on the done at the top right corner and your voice memo will be saved on your journal entry. So that is how you guys can add voice memo to journal entry. And if you don't have this journal app, make sure to update your iPhone to the latest 17.2 iOS updated version and you will have this option of downloading journal app. So that's it for today's video on our channel One Step. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in my future video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.